each other. Let's just have a couple. Go ahead, get them on the queue. Okay. And now you can also turn right and go to the back now. Thank you. Now keep moving. Stay closer to me. Stay closer to me. Don't worry, be happy. Just take a seat and get ready. You can start adventure. Okay. Careful for yourself to go. And now the first question. Are you guys ready? Yes. One more. Okay. Are you ready to get wrecked?
No.
Hey, what's your answer? Okay, then let's get rest together. Say goodbye to them first. Bye bye. See them again. Bye bye. Okay. Welcome to the world famous jungle with a cruise. My name is Carlos, your skipper swimming instructor, and I have some reminders of the jungle navigation company. Please keep your whole body inside the boat. And also, this is a rotor ride show. Take care of the electronic devices, and please don't stand up. And also take care of your children. And now return to your right hand side first. Here is the Kasanji house. If you want to go there by taking the rocks after 11. But remember one thing, no swimming here. Because there are so many crocodiles in this river. And I can tell you, if you swim to the she house by yourself, the crocodiles will come and fight. And it's really weird, okay? Just stay in my boat and I will protect you. On your left side, say hello to them, hello. Okay. And now hop on your right side again, hello. It's about 4,000 kilometers long, and I know this is something we can go faster. On the left side, can you see that? There are mother elephant and baby elephant. Mother one is teaching the little one using his trunk to pay water. But lots very good. Don't worry, just a baby one, it will make you relax. You love it? You can also take a photo. And how about on your right hand side, and you can see another one. And this one is the brother. And he loves shower. And shower with you guys. Not with me, so yeah! Oh. And finally, we can see their fun, and this is the last one. And he play water like this. And after the first time, it's your turn on this side. After 3, 2, 1, again! Follow water this time. I'm just giving the water the second time. But we are all today so far. And I have never been this place before. You see the spider on the left side, and the spider in the wall, and they are right here. And I can tell you something, they are poison. They can jump over 20 meters from your left side to right. Okay, one more race looking at you guys. And over here is the ancient temple of the elephant god in Asia. And those king cobras are protecting the god. And don't put your hands out, don't give them a chance to bite you. And after we pass it, and you can have a look. We are saying. Now we are going to visit the crocodiles, and they didn't have lunch and breakfast before. And they call us dinner because they are so hungry now. Any food for them? Or any chicken wings for the crocodiles? Or for me? You can hold them remember those really. I don't want you to become them, you know. And here is the campsite of Conquest Supporter NGA. But now those gorilla are eating here. You see the last one? It is holding a gun. Be careful, if they shoot my boat, then it will make an explosion like this. Now remember, they know how to use the gun and they may shoot you. One more question, anyone have your pants here? With some hearts print on it? Your pants again? Live here? Okay, I think it is answer for that. And here is the African grassland. Can you see the zebras? Okay, and do you know what's the difference between the male and the female zebra? No, not the answer. Okay, let me tell you the answer. The right answer is male zebra is black with white stripe, the left one. And how about the female one is white with black stripe, the second is the female. And they are the same. Thank you for your laughing. And how about on your left side? Here is the number 2. Why? Because hey! On your right side is mother-in-law and she's the number 1. And here I'm going to put your position to this that let's go. And something are coming out from your book, guys. And they are giant hippos. They are fine. And how about on your right? You see this one? This one is fixed up. And now they are attended by the rhinos. If you jump out, the rhinos will follow you there. Can you see the skull? We have come to the headhunter place. And now we stay quiet. Yeah, goodbye to the baby elephant and we can go back very soon. Bye-bye. Okay, before we go back, we have two more things to do. The first thing is take a seat. And also the second thing is on this side. Mind your hands. Keep your whole hands inside my balls. Elbows, mind your hands. Here. Breathing. Here. And you are laughing now. Okay, then you are here. Thank you for your coming. Thank you for your laughing. If you didn't laugh at all, thank you for your leaving. Until my boat is stopped, remember use the middle. Use the right and the boat. Of course, the windows, okay? And now my boat is